I was broken, lost in space, shattered pieces can't replace. In the dark I lost my way, but I'm finding light today. Every scar a tale to tell, but with help I start to heal. In my arms I'll find the end, make me whole again. Make me whole again, let the fire heal and never end. Through the burn I'll rise above, shining bright with endless love. Make me whole again. Oh, oh. I was lost and filled with fear, chasing shadows drawing near, but you pulled me from the deep. Now my soul is here to keep, and my heart let love transcend. With your touch my wounds will end, in our love I'll find my friend. Make me whole again, make me whole again. Let the fire heal and never end. Through the burn I'll rise above, shining bright with endless love. Make me whole again, let the fire heal and never end. Through the burn I'll rise above, shining bright with endless love. Make me whole again and again. Oh, like a puzzle torn apart, please rebuild me piece by heart. Through the cracks my light will shine, in my arms I'll be fine. I rise above my personal flaw, deep into the fire of the light, giving my pieces to the sky. Melt into the glow I'll fly. Let the burn of healing in, puzzle me back to the one I've been. The core of me now shining bright, make me whole again. In the pieces I found the light, I was whole in the dark, in the